Hey Flower Tribe, it's Kelly Lehman from Cranberry Fields Flower Farm. And I was just sitting on my couch and my mother-in-law was over and we were goofing off saying that we were going to start a podcast together. And then we started filming it. And I realized that as we were talking, we actually kind of covered some fun Dollar Tree, like budget gardening tips. So I'm going to show you that footage now. I'm realizing now that I had this beautiful like peony picture that I should have had as our backdrop, but instead I don't. I have like a masking taped wall that we were trying to like hang something on the other day. And anyway, we were looking for dimensions. So you'll see like this not so nice background, but I thought the video was pretty funny. And my mother-in-law, Edie, is super funny. So I think you'll enjoy watching it. And so this is just us goofing off, but it does have a couple good garden tips in it. So I hope you enjoy them. Okay, see you later. Bye. Thanks for bearing with us. Hello, everyone. I am here with my mother-in-law, Edie.
Hi, how's everyone?
We are debating starting a podcast together. What should we call it, Edie?
The two mavens?
Okay.
Or the two yentas?
The Two Yentas Garden Chat. Okay,
Right.
I like it. Let's go with that. Okay, so welcome to the Two Yentas Garden Chat with
Right.
Edie Lehman and Kelly Lehman and Lucy Lehman, who's on the floor right now.
Yes.
And Edie.
I know nothing about flowers.
Yes, you do. So tell
only-
me about, I know that you had a big problem with your roses last year that we kind
Yes.
of, here's Lucy in the house, of course.
Oh, there's
All
her.
right, here's
Say hello,
Lucy. The
Lucy.
star of the show has just arrived.
Hi, Lucy.
Okay,
All right.
we have a microphone in her
Yes.
spot. All right, hold on, we have to make a little room for her. Come
Come
on.
to Granny.
All right, here we go. All right, so
Now you could filter me out.
nothing but professionalism
Right.
here, guys. We
Okay.
are a professional
Yes.
operation here. All right, here we go.
I have hydrangeas that will never ever grow.
Hydrangeas.
I
Okay.
have beautiful green leaves. No
Hydra-
matter what I do,
oh, wait,
every year I get green leaves.
on your hydrangeas.
Right. I have not one flower.
Okay.
Okay?
Why?
Not one flower.
And why do you think that is?
I have no idea. I heard that the soil wasn't good, so I put stuff down in the soil. Then I dug around it. Then I put fertilizer on. I still got green leaves.
Why did I tell you that you might not have green leaves?
What did you tell me to do? You told me to cut. No, you told me to leave it alone.
Yes, don't prune it.
So I didn't do anything this year.
And then I said, don't
Don't
add stuff to it.
Right. So I didn't do this year. I did nothing. Let's see what happens in May and June.
Right, because
But I still have green leaves. I'm digging them up and I'm bringing them to your house.
Great. Okay. So Edie has a hydrangea that's about 2 years old.
Right.
So it's young.
Yes,
So she's been harassing this poor plant for 2 years, yelling at it that it's not blooming.
that's correct.
And I told her it's probably not blooming because it's very young and sometimes it takes 2 or 3 years to get a bloom. So stop harassing your,
Okay.
what do you call it?
I know
Hydrangeas?
that hydrangeas, when your babies were babies, they were still growing flowers.
My hydrangeas?
Yes,
My
when they
hydrangeas.
were babies, they were still growing flowers.
No.
Not one leaf, not even one pinky little blue or white or pink leaf, not one. Beautiful green leaves. I have gorgeous green leaves.
Okay. Give it one more season, then I think it's going to bloom. So
And then I'm bringing them to your house. And you can put them in your
I
farm,
will be
and I'm
happy
sure
to.
they'll grow gorgeous.
yes. All right. All right. Now let's talk about your dollar store seeds.
My dollar store
She likes
seeds are
those.
phenomenal.
Yes.
You put them in the ground.
Mhm.
You just rake them a little bit. You
Yeah.
don't have to be a genius. Just rake them, and then you stick the seeds in, and you put it all around,
Yeah.
and you water them every day, and voila! I have beautiful, beautiful flowers. I have no
She
idea
does.
what kind of flower
There's
it is,
zinnias.
but they're yellow and they're pink
They're
and
gorgeous.
they're blue and they're beautiful. For $1, I have enough seeds to cover my whole lawn.
Yes. So she loves the dollar store seeds. So
Right.
that's a great Edie tip.
Right. Now that is not good for the podcast, but
Why? That's good for the podcast.
is it?
We got to get Dollar Store to sponsor us.
Oh, okay.
Dollar Store.
Oh, Dollar Store, Dollar
us.
Tree.
Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree.
Call us.
Please
Call.
call. I love you. You are
See?
great. Okay.
Mhm.
I even have your gloves. I
Mhm.
use your gloves. $1.25 gloves work perfect. And in the farm.
See?
What else do I use? Oh, I have the little weather vanes that go all around.
Yeah.
And the little pretty little sayings on those stones that I put in my garden.
Oh, you do? You have a lot of those?
Oh, yes. Yes.
Okay.
I am a Dollar Tree person.
I am too. I love Dollar Tree.
Okay.
They have like the little plant labels.
Yes.
And the stakes in the ground.
Yes, they do.
They have a lot.
Yes, they have very good.
They have all the tape that you use.
And they have all different seeds. You could
all
get,
different seeds.
Yeah,
Marigolds.
you could have
zinnias.
wildflower.
Yes, the
seeds.
wildflower mix is good. You
And
use
then
that.
they have another one. I get not wildflower. It's some other kind of seed that's very, very, very nice with all different kind of flowers. They have sunflower seeds.
Yep.
I bought that.
Those were little menza.
Right. And what happened is I put it in a little patch. So all of a sudden, this little patch, I had 95 of them.
Yeah, but
so
they
I had
were
to
cute.
pull them out and put them somewhere else.
Yeah, no, they took off, even though they were
and
little.
they come in very
short, but
thick,
cute.
so I don't know how to keep them up because they're always flopping down.
Or you could put a little bamboo stick in it and just tie a little tape to it.
Okay.
That little
Right.
planting tape.
Yes.
I'll get you some from the Dollar Tree.
Right. So let's see what else. That's as much as I know about plants and shrubs and trees.
All right. Well, you have knockout roses that are pretty awesome.
Yes, that I do.
And you prune them back. Tell us about that. Do you prune them back?
Excuse me, the what?
You prune them back, the knockout roses.
Oh, yes.
She's like, yes.
Oh, yeah,
what?
what are you talking? Yes,
Yes,
every year,
Mm-hmm.
come September, they grow by May and June. I have the most gorgeous roses in my garden.
Yeah, you really do.
Yes, I do.
I didn't know that you cut them back and forth.
Yes.
A lot of gardeners wait until like late winter, early spring, but I think maybe other ones do. Well, it works for you, yeah.
Once it gets cold and the leaves...
When they go dormant. I guess
Right,
as long
when
as
they
they're
go-
dormant,
when-
yeah.
once
When
there's
they're
no more
dormant, they're not
leaves.
growing, yeah.
Right. Sometimes
You hack them down to about, what, 2 feet?
about 3 feet.
3 feet.
Yeah, about 3
Because they're
feet.
beautiful every year.
Yes, and they grow back beautiful.
All right.
But no, I wait until there's no leaves on.
Yeah, so you wait till
right.
it's dormant, which is
Right.
important.
Yes.
And they're you have double knockout roses.
Yes, I have 4 in the front.
Yeah.
Four, and I love them.
And you have a
every
beautiful
year,
garden.
Everybody comes from my neighborhood to look at my beautiful
They
roses.
They do.
Yes.
All right, well, mother-in-law, I think that, what are we calling the podcast again?
The
Two Yentas. I think
The
that
2 Yentas from Cranberry.
the 2 Yentas from Cranberry, even though we're sitting in Florida right now, because we escaped for a little while here in the winter.
Yes.
Okay, so I think that
Yes.
maybe we'll work on a little backdrop next time.
Right.
And
Okay.
yeah, so I think this is going to
Yes.
be okay.
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 I think you should have a nice background back here.
Yes.
A flower thing, like
Yeah,
a sheet.
like a flower wall.
Yes, like a flower wall.
Like a live
Yes.
flower wall.
Yes.
So we're going to get a little
Or
snazzy
you could
next
go outside and buy the palm trees over here.
Yes, we can have a palm tree
and
back.
sit
Like
and
ladies.
sit in front of your pool,
Okay.
and the palm trees will just show beautifully.
All right.
Okay.
Sounds like a plan.
Right.
All right. Well, thanks for joining everybody for the
Yes.
first episode of the 2 Yentas Garden Chat.
Yes, the end to go.
And hopefully Dollar Tree calls us and then
Right.
we'll make $1 billion.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Bye, Lucy.
So-
Hey,
Bonnie.
Hey, kids. Look who's out in Delray.
Yeah, how you doing?
Whoop, whoop. Look where we are.
Our favorite place, the bar.